Hey there, Express Maintenance family. I just wanted to share with you another enhancement that we have had here just in the last month or so. We've got several that have come out, and you'll get these videos on this YouTube channel. But I wanted to make this one, I wanted to make you guys aware of this one specifically. For years now, people have been wanting to be more efficient with entering demand work orders. And as you know, services will repopulate based on their period and interval, but with demand work orders, it's always been a manual entry. Well, I'm proud to present to you guys now that we have a way to duplicate work orders. So if you have the same issue on the same piece of equipment, no need to go in and just recreate a whole new work order. In the past, you had to insert a new record, fill out all the information, add the parts and services. Well, that's not a requirement anymore. So if you go to your work order overview, and let's say you have the same issue on the same piece of equipment, right? We'll just look at a service like a belt replace, and I hit search, and I go into look at the ones that have been completed. Okay, here's everything that I've done a belt replace on. Now, if I'm looking at it for a specific piece of equipment to duplicate that work order, I can look it up on the air compressor, hit OK, and now you can see that I have an air compressor work order. These are the services are all belt repair or belt replace. And I've got the technician, the work group class. So all I have to do is just simply select this one and then come up here and duplicate work order. And the options that I have here are duplicate work order services, parts, attachments, notes, technician notes, and the number of times to duplicate. So I'll just hit proceed, ask me if I want to continue. It says it was duplicated one time, and there you go. It's a lot faster. Any parts that were already a part of that will be also brought over. Any technician notes, if you wanted to duplicate those would be here as well. And now you've got everything, and you see your source is duplicated up here. So hope this helps you guys be more efficient inside Express Maintenance. That is our goal. We want to provide you with the tools and resources to be able to keep your equipment running optimally, and helping you guys to work harder and harder at getting more proactive instead of reactive. My name is Eric Waymeyer. If you need anything, don't hesitate to give us a call on our sales line. That's 931 269 9764. Take care.